없어. 여기. 사람 되게 많은데 오늘.
Okay, this way. Oh, do you think it'll... Oh, so it's getting close. Is it gonna knock it over? Oh! Oh, look at these dinosaurs. Backside it shows the bones. Oh, Sarah, why are you picking his nose? What's this? Alright, make him run, make him run. Make it run. Okay, oh Sarah, okay. Spin it, you gotta spin it really quick.
I got an idea.
Okay.
Hey, you want to take a picture?
This must be mammoth.
Probably really fast too.
We have a little play area under this giant lion. Are there animals down there?
Ow! This is like a real rock.
Okay, this way. Let's hop on the other side. Oh. Whoa, look at these crystals. Jet.
I know. This
Your
is a
crystal,
cave.
this is jackpot.
This is a cave.
Yeah.
It's great.
So imagine you walk in the cave and you see this.
Oh my god.
Now they're minerals. Jesus, Maria.
King crab.
Make a sword of this thing.
How long this narwhal's tusk is. Whoa. I didn't realize it was this long. I thought it was just like maybe like 2-3 feet. This looks more like 7 feet.
This,
Yeah?
this whole part right here
Yeah.
is inside the narwhal. The other part
Oh yeah, you might be right. But still, that's at least. Yeah, even if you don't include this one, it's more than 6 feet.
it's like a javelin.
Oh yeah. Have you guys seen sea urchin in real life?
Yes.
Yeah?
Wait, in real life?
Real life in the ocean.
Yes. What?
Yeah.
Really step on it?
Oh, don't step on it. It's gonna
I've seen an
poke you.
almond too.
You've seen abalone?
Abalone.
And you've seen this too, right?
Oh,
Remember?
I've seen
Chad?
this. These are so cool.
You've seen the chitin too,
Oh,
right?
yeah, the
They're stuck on the rocks.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is true. This is how California coast looks like. Yeah, we see this kind of plants a lot. Another play area for kids. 애들 여기 있어? Whoa, what is in here? Is that a gas tank?
Oh, there's a hole.
Oh, you can touch the bunny's fur here, so soft.
Who's gonna drive the bus?
Can I have some coffee?
Bruh.
Okay, let's go outside. Watch your steps. Oh, oh my gosh.
That was a skunk.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. You gotta close it and open it again. Oh. Aren't you scared, Sarah? Oh my god, this skunk's eating the dog food. Here's the mountain lion we see in California mountains sometimes. Oh, you can see part of the Balboa Park buildings around here. Whoa! That's a big beetle, guys. Okay, so we made it to the 3rd floor, level 3. But when you come here, don't look down.
Down. No.
Oh my gosh. This looks like an alligator. Yep, American alligator.
What's it?
One is a giant gazelle. Number 2 is a wild boar.
So Eleanor and Jerome Navarra Special Collections Gallery. Oh, so this is the top floor view, or third floor view of this. Remember the pendulum that was shaking, moving up and down? Oh, back and forth. There's a stars from up there. Okay, this has rattlesnakes. These are some creative drawings of dragons. Wow. Another play area for the kids, and a seating area for parents. Whoa, there's an extreme zoom in. Oh, so early whales have teeth. So we're at the top floor. Let's see the better view of the park. Don't look down if you're scared. So we're at the fourth floor now. Expedition Baja.
Where's Korea? Where's the Where's Korea?
Not on this map.
Far away.
Yeah, this is so we're here right now in San Diego, and this is Mexico. Yeah, Korea is way on the other side. Oh, I didn't know there was a name for this kind of cactus. So we see this kind of cactus in California a lot. It's called elephant cactus. Okay. I learned something new today. Alright, so now we're at the first floor, a floor below where we started. You can see the underbelly of the megalodon. They used to have a little cafe here, but I guess they don't anymore. Maybe they have it over there. Another playground for kids.
Actually, no, they're not.
Are they real bees? Oh. little tarantula hiding behind the rock as well. Oh, this one's moving around. Hello. This one looks actually pretty cute. Oh yeah, this looks like it can swallow gopher easy. Hello. Hello, gopher snake. Wow, I thought the ball would be a lot bigger than this, but so if you see these kind of videos, don't get too close. How far are you? Scarabs. Little coffee shop right here. Oh, nice. Ice cream. Oh, they got choco taco. Nice. Okay, we just got some coffee from the Flying Squirrel coffee shop here in the gift store. It's a $5.50. Looks promising. Let's try it. Oh wow, that's good. That is good mocha. Yeah, so if you ever come down here to Natural History Museum, yeah, try this ice mocha with oat milk.